As Palal Thadou alias Lalboy Singson, identified by NIA as the alleged finance head of the proscribed United Kuki National Army (UKNA), has been remanded to judicial custody at Guwahati Central Jail till September 3, 2026. He was produced virtually before the NIA Special Court to Manipur. The court on August 21 ordered his transfer to Assam after the prosecution opposed his lodgement in any jail in Manipur, citing a prevailing ethnic tension and fragile law and order situation. The NIA argued that keeping him in Manipur could pose a security threat and allow him to re-establish contact with his network. The defense plea seeking his lodgement at District Jail Churachandpur on health grounds and to facilitate family visits was rejected. Palal Thadou was arrested on August 12 in connection with the April 7 bomb attack at Dronglaupi Awanglekai in Bishnupur district, in which an explosive device fired from a nearby hillside killed 2 children and critically injured their mother, Oinam Binita. According to the NIA, Palal Thadou allegedly played a key role in arranging and routing funds for the UKNA to procure arms, explosives and logistical support. Investigators are also probing his suspected links to several other incidents, including the Turbung bomb blast on December 16, 2025, firing in Molnom on February 3-4, firing at Kaprang on July 4, and attacks targeting CRPF personnel in March 2026. The agenda is examining financial transactions and mobile communication records to trace the wider network, funding channels, and suspected cross-border linkages. Following the court order, Palal Thadou was transported to Assam under heavy security and lodged at Guwahati Central Jail. Further investigation continues to identify other alleged operatives and establish the extent of the network.